Hi, my name is Marius and I'm a concept artist and art director working in games and film industry. And this is my 3D environment concept design mentorship with Art Train Academy. In this course, we will dive into the environment concept design pipeline using Blender. I'll guide you through a project from the initial idea to fully polished concepts and design variations. Our focus will be on developing unique and original ideas while studying real-world references to understand what makes them both functional and visually compelling. You'll gain hands-on experience with the techniques I use daily, including idea generation, modeling, design development, camera work, lighting, and more. Along the way, we'll cover best practices for efficient workflows and resource management to streamline your process. This course is designed for artists looking to sharpen their design skills, explore new techniques, and strengthen their fundamentals. See you there!